Okay, guys, I want to talk to you how to do the lead to non-convert. Basically, with this report, it's what people came to meet with us in the gym that we didn't get them to convert over. Okay, so basically, they met with us, they didn't like our core offerings, or for whatever reason, they didn't want to sign up. That is going to go lead to non-convert. Who came in and didn't like our shit and why? Who didn't want to sign up for our core offer? Basically, with this, it is up to the coaches to be able to put this data in. And Ruby, this is something you won't know unless the coaches rebuttal you back and let you know. But basically, in here, these pieces need to go in here, and the reasons why they don't convert needs to be in. So I'll give you an example. We're going to go to the North location. I got Tawan Payton. The number one of those, and I'm pretty sure there's more for this quarter, but we're just going to take what we have. We have 0 for the week, right? But we have, looks like 1 for the quarter, and I know that because, oh my goodness, I have Tawan Payton in 224. That is within our quarter. Our quarter is 3B pillars, January, February, March. So what I need to do, I just need to input this, and here's how I'm going to do it. Basically, I'm going to go to my sales. So for sales debrief, I'm going to come in here, format, number, automatic, 1, insert, comment, Tawan Payton, and try to keep it as simple as possible. If you go into my pipeline report or my debrief, basically didn't have his bank account information in front of him. He missed our re-up meeting, so he signed up, didn't provide didn't come back to provide bank information. There you go. Literally that simple. And again, a lot of this one is coaches doing their job and inputting in what they're supposed to put in. Thank you.